Okay, all right. Well, hi, it's Peter Zellens, GriniFlix Adventure. You probably already know that, being a member. And this is my first member video for the Inspire bar. I recently did a model shoot with Sharna, one of my favorite and regular models, and at the studio, GriniFlix Studio. And I used 3 cameras for this. I used the Nikon D700. I also used the Hasselblad X2D II version, and also my older Hasselblad, and this is the 907X with the 50C, 50 megapixel back. I use this camera as well. This one's got the 30 millimeter. What is it? The 30 millimeter f3.5 lens on it. On the X2D, we have the 80 millimeter f1.9, and I have to check what lens I used on the D700. But nevertheless, the details will be in this video. So I'll start off this video with a video that I did. I compiled a video for the shoot, as well as I've created, from the best shots, I've created 3 sets of shots: set A, set B, and set C. See whether you can guess which camera was used for each of those sets. A bit of a challenge. And let me know what you think of the video. Being a members only video means that we interact with each other on a regular basis. And so please do comment, and we will review this video together. So thanks again for being a member. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video, either on my channel or through the membership program. So thanks again for being part of the Inspire bar, as well as being part of the Dream Team.